Hello, you might wonder what's in this suitcase. This is the money you could save every day by weighing accurately. How can you achieve that? It's pretty simple. All you need to do is calibrate your balances and scales according to your own process tolerances and weigh within the safe weighing range. I'd like to tell you how you can use calibration to ensure top product quality and increase your company's profits. I will explain why you should calibrate weighing equipment, how uncertainty makes you certain, and how you can improve quality and profit through process calibration. Klaus, you're an expert in metrology. Can you tell us what is calibration?
Quite simple. Calibration tells you how a balance or scale performs.
And why is that important?
Well, only if you understand the performance, you can make sure the device meets the necessary quality requirements. Or in other words, only after calibration, you know whether your measurements are sufficiently accurate.
So calibration is important to ensure reliable product quality.
Exactly. That's why quality standards as ISO 9001 make calibration a requirement.
Klaus mentioned the performance of weighing equipment. Let's have a look at how it is assessed. The performance of your weighing equipment is influenced by two types of errors. First, systematic errors, like eccentricity or corner load, and error of indication, which is also called nonlinearity. A systematic error shows you how far from the true value your result is. The second type is random errors, which is assessed by testing repeatability to tell you how close together a series of measurements is. This is also called precision. To assess the performance of a weighing device, all three parameters should be tested. Klaus, once a proper calibration has been performed, how does it help the user to guarantee good product quality?
The overall purpose of calibration is to determine the measurement uncertainty of the device, and that allows you to quantify the accuracy of everything you weigh.
Measurement uncertainty is the key phrase here. Let's discuss what it really means. Uncertainty is all around us when dealing with the stock market, with the weather forecast, in physics, and with measuring. Uncertainty tells you how close to the true value a measurement is. It tells you how accurately you can weigh. For instance, when you read 100.0 grams on an instrument's display, the true value could be anywhere between 99.5 and 100.5 grams. No measurement is complete without knowing the measurement uncertainty. The Accuracy Calibration Certificate, the ACC from METTLER TOLEDO, documents this measurement uncertainty over the equipment's weighing range. While basic certificates only assess the equipment, the ACC simple formula allows you to quantify the accuracy of every object you weigh in day-to-day use. Klaus, what about certificates that do not contain uncertainty?
In those cases, users lack critical information about the accuracy of the weighing process. If you want to control quality, uncertainty is a critical element of every calibration certificate.
Finally, let's look at how to interpret calibration results and turn this information into profit. Any weighing device, be it a microbalance or a 5-ton floor scale, shows the following behavior of measurement uncertainty. The absolute uncertainty in milligram, gram or kilogram increases as you place more weight on a scale. However, the relative uncertainty, which is the absolute uncertainty divided by the weight, increases with smaller weights. On the lower end of the weighing range, the uncertainty is so high that you cannot trust the weighing results. Would you accept a material weighed with an uncertainty of plus minus 10, 50 or 100%? What would be the impact on your quality and cost? The criteria for assessing whether a balance or scale performs good enough or passes comes from a variety of sources. You can distinguish between two types of tolerances. First are external tolerances, specified either by legal metrology guidelines such as OIML R76 or NIST Handbook 44, or by the equipment manufacturers themselves. Second are internal process tolerances, set by the quality requirements of the equipment users. OIML or Handbook 44 define maximum permissible errors for scales that are used in commercial transactions. However, their legal tolerances do not consider your individual requirements for high quality. Process weighing tolerances, on the other hand, are defined by you to meet your specific process and quality requirements. Including your tolerances eliminates the risk of weighing with too high uncertainty and establishes the safe weighing range of your equipment. Weighing inside the red area leads to potential out-of-specification results, bad product quality, rework and waste. On the other hand, when you weigh within the safe weighing range, you ensure accurate measurements and guarantee excellent product quality. Calibration according to your process tolerances is an essential part of good weighing practice. GWP also provides you with clear advice how often you should calibrate and test your weighing equipment. Finally, let's go back to our suitcase of money and consider an example. A company fills 200-liter drums of chemicals on a 300 kg Class 3 approved floor scale. Calibrating and operating this scale within OIML or Handbook 44 tolerances means that the allowable in-service error is 0.3 kg. What is the product value behind this weighing error that might be lost? The company fills 100 drums a day with a chemical worth $50 per kilo. This corresponds to a loss of $1,500 per day, $30,000 per month, and $360,000 per year. This is not necessary. By defining their own, tighter process weighing tolerances, this company was able to optimize their process so that each filling cycle produced only profitable drums. Those savings were realized by calibrating their scales with the ACC and GWP certificates. Imagine your bank subtracted 10 cents per every $100 you deposited. You would be furious. For a bank, that's illegal. However, that's what your balances and scales could be doing to your profits when you only focus on legal for trade tolerances. Don't let others determine your profits. Use the ACC with GWP certificate to set your own margins. And use the safe weighing range to improve your product quality, reduce waste, and pass any internal and external audits. The ACC is the first calibration service that is globally available for all weighing equipment. Turn quality improvements into profits. Call METTLER Toledo.